Sky outside is a mirror of me, and gray and heavy as a deep set sea. I'm standing still while the world moves on, still reaching out for a love that's gone. I thought the storm would have passed by now, but the clouds are just settled on my brow, and the tears fall like rain, steady and slow, washing away everything I used to know. There's no umbrella for a heart this cold, just a story of us that's grown tired and old. It's a written vague, a relentless sound, as the pieces of me hit the hollow ground. I can't find the sun, I can't find the gate, when my tears just fall like rain. I'm tracing the tracks on a window pane, wondering if you even feel the same. Are you staying dry in someone else's arms, while I'm out here weathering all these alarms? The streets are slick with the things I've cried, a flood of the secrets I used to hide. It's a natural force, it's a gravity pull. The cup of my sorrow is finally full, and I don't wanna drown, but I've lost the shore in a deluge of wanting you more and more. And the tears fall like rain, steady and slow, washing away everything I used to know. There's no umbrella for a heart this cold, just a story of us that's grown tired and old. It's a written gate, a relentless sound, as the pieces of me hit the hollow ground. I can't find the sun, I can't find the gate, when my tears just fall like rain.